I'm Nate from the Tofurious Gamer Bros, and today I am opening this Paradox Fury Premium Collection box. This is gonna be good. Yeah, that way. Thank you. Okay, so first we have these 3 codes. Very cool. We have this code protector for 3 codes. And then this big code. Okay, now time for the packs. There are 7 of them. I'm going to open this one first. Oh. Liberty. That is our cat. Okay. Now time for the actual pack. So, energy. What energy? Steel. Switch. Coco. That's cool. Tropus. And Pokemon. Flamingo. Fortress. Rocky Helmet. Reverse Hollow Slowpoke. Reverse Hollow Drowsy and Golden EX. Look at that. I guess it's look at that. VIP section right here. Okay, now this. Okay, this pack is easier to open. Okay. Go cold and fire. Vortex. Eevee. Graphic. This cool little fluffy. Galatian. Sand Slash and Iron Bundle. Reverse Hard Koala. Reverse Hard Deramaka. And Go Ninja ES. This is good. Wow. Wow. Look at that. VIP section with Gumbo. Okay, now this pack. Let's go. Okay, Coco, what energy? Psychic. Marketer. Magical. Slowpoke. Litleo. Plasman. Ooh. Reversal energy. Wow. Terrific energy. Okay. Reversal Lumpic. Is that his name? Jumpluff. Okay, I got that. Reverse Hard Love Disc and Hollow Baxbowl. Okay. Energy Psychic. Apom. Image. Meeting. Goodbye. Zeb's Striker. luxurious cake, a bomb tom. Anything? A bomb tom. Was our chocolate, was our galva, and hollow feeble. Okay, I'm gonna open the rest of my packs next time, so let's recap the good cards I got. So first, we got this Raging Board. Look at that. This Waking Walk. And Gouging File. All of those guys are EXs. And then the big gold. A Raging Board EX Oversized. This guy's big. Okay, we got Golden EX. And the last one, Go Ninja EX. Okay, bye guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.